Send different proposals to new and returning clients. Sometimes you might want to send different proposals to new and returning clients for various reasons. Those might include a discount to returning clients, or skipping parts of the proposal signing process, such as gathering specific documentation from clients you've known for some time. TaxDome allows you to automatically send different types of proposals to various clients using tags. These tags are assigned to your client and allow the conditional automation to work, so when the system sends the proposals automatically, it will select different types of proposals depending on the client's tag. If you don't have those two tags, the first step is creating them. Go to Templates and Tags and press the New Tag button. Write the tag's name and press Save. Do this for both new and returning clients. Then, you can assign those tags to existing clients in bulk. There are other TaxDome videos on that topic. Then, you must create two proposal templates, one for new clients and the other for returning clients. For new clients, remember to include a retainer. Don't forget to add your price list, which can differ for your returning clients. Now, on a pipeline, create a stage for the clients to receive proposals at the beginning of your pipeline and enable auto-move. This way, your jobs will automatically move to the next stage once the proposal is signed. Press Add Automations and select Send Proposal EL. Select the template for new clients. Now press the Add Condition option, select the New Client tag and press Add. Do the same for recurring clients. Don't forget to save. Now you are ready to start a job, and it will automatically send the correct proposal to whatever type of client you have.